Hey, it's Aran here. Welcome to a tech tutorial where I'm going to show you how to add sales notification widget to your website. In this particular instance, I'm going to use system.io to actually demonstrate how it's done. I'm going to have my team show you, and I'm going to explain the use case of having a sales notification. So, when you are on a website, let's say you're on Shopify website or an e-commerce website buying clothing or buying some jewelry or buying anything really. And it could also be if, let's say, you are on a registration page to watch a webinar or go on a website to buy something, and you see a little notification at the bottom that says, name, Mary Smith bought this 10 minutes ago from California or whatever. Joe Blob bought this from Arizona 10 minutes ago or whatever their thing is. And it's a little bit of social proof, and it kind of puts a little bit of urgency, like, okay, people are actually taking action, people are actually signing up, things like that. That's a sales notification widget. So I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to get this done. My team is going to do that. And we're going to use a software called Elfsight. Now, I'm a customer of Elfsight. I'm an affiliate of Elfsight. It's a great tool, and I use it for multiple different widgets. Somewhere around here, there'll be a tutorial on how I use Elfsight with Facebook reviews. And this is from my System.io HTML tutorial, so you can see how to also install the widget. But my team is actually going to explain to you the tutorial specifically for the sales notification customization. So you can choose your brand colors, how you want it to look and feel, the font, all that good stuff. So I'm going to turn it over to my team and show you how to set up a sales notification widget using Elfsight.
So everyone, this is Elfsight's sales notification widget, and this widget is pretty handy if you are managing lots of things, like if you're managing a store or a hotel booking website or a tech store. So let me get started and sign up for free. So here you can sign up with your email, Facebook, or Google, or you can just press continue with Google from here. So if you press here, it will automatically log into your account or sign you up. And then we can go to sales notification widget here and make sure you're using this link to go to sales notification widget. Then we are going to explore what we can do with the widget. So first of all, you're going to have to select a preset. Now, select a preset that suits you best. So here we have clothes store sales notification, hotel booking notification, at tech store sales, Google review notifications, popular product sales notification, Instagram new follower notification. Now this is a very handy notification widget if you are an influencer. You can also set up a restaurant reservation notification and so on. The list goes on. So I'm not going to explore everything. I'm just going to select one that I like and then move with it. So we are going to select something like clothing store sales notification, and we're going to continue with this template. So we are going to just select one and see how they actually work. So here we have the name, which is bold in format. Then we have address and then which product they have purchased. You can change them accordingly, and they are planning to fetch these data from your website in the future. So scrolling down, we have call to action button. Now this is the call to action button, view product, and you can set your link here. So let's suppose your website is 123.com and your orders are going to be shown on 123.com/orders. So this is the website 123.com/orders, and then you can edit the text of the button. So we're gonna rename it to view orders, and the button has been edited. Then we have badge. This badge can be edited. You can change the icon, and the best part is you can also import an icon from your computer. You can see the icon is being uploaded and it doesn't look good. So if you have a good icon in your computer, then you can use it. Otherwise, just use the icons that are here preset. So I'm going to select this, and here we have it. Now the hint is new sale. Now this doesn't change anything. This is just what the notification represents. And the display style, so it can be viewed on all pages, home pages, or specific pages. And you can select that which pages the notification will be hidden. Now these are also going to require some CSS and HTML editing, so I'm going to leave that, and we are going to head to layout. So here we have the position of the widget. Now we can select bottom left, bottom or bottom right, and if you select the vertical offset, it's going to be going up, down. If you select horizontal offset, it's going to go away from the horizontal line. And if you select a corner, then you have vertical offset and horizontal offset to choose from. Now you can also go to mobile view, but this doesn't affect the mobile view mode. But however, the position on mobile does. You can either select top or bottom. Then you can select your animation type, which can be slide, bounce, zoom. There are lots of animations. Instead, now select animation that suits you best. Then we have the close button. You can select the close button that's always going to be present here. Then you can select close button on hover. So when I hover, the close button will appear, or you can just reappear at any time. Then you can just close the close button and never see it. And here is the phone mode. Now I went to phone mode to show you this: swipe to close on mobile. So if you swipe, the notification widget will be closed. And then moving on to the settings section. Now first, notification delay will be by default set to 10 seconds and the display duration is 7 seconds. So it's going to be here for 7 seconds. Then after 15 seconds of total, you're going to get your second notification. Now, if you don't want to randomize your notifications, then make sure to turn it off. Otherwise, you'll get first notification, then third notification, then second notification. The order will not be same. And if you want to remember the visitor, now you can select this for up to 1 year. And if you have any confusion about this section, it's all written here. Make sure to read it thoroughly. And then we're going to move to style. So we have font. We can apply from website, or we can choose any kind of font that we want. As you can see, I have changed the entire font, but now I'm going to choose apply to website. We can select a background color. Since my text is black, I'm going to select from these two line of colors because these are dark colors. Well, you can use this line also. These colors are actually good for black and white, both texts. So we're going to select the green color because we can use black and white text with the green color. Now let's change the message color. As you can see, white, green, either one sets with the green color, or you can change it to any other color that you want. It might not look good, but if you want, you can do it. Then we have link color. If you have added any link in the text, then the link color will be this. And since I don't have any link, the link color will not affect anything. Then we have notification timer color. So this is the notification timer. You can choose a bright color so that it pops. Now let's choose yellow color and it's much more visible now. And then we have call to action button color. We can change that color if we want. We're going to change it to red. And then we have action button text color. We can also change the text of the color here. So red with navy blue, that suits. And then we have badge color. So we can change the badge color to any color we want. As you can see, the badge color will change accordingly. So here we have this badge color, blue, and the white background color. When you select green or yellow, it changes to black. After that, you can select the corner radius. You can select full square. You can select rounded corners, or you can select circle corners. And you can also select the image size that you want. As you can see, the full size image did not look very good. So I'm going to select a size that suits best. So let's select 80. That looks good to me. And then we have custom CSS and custom JS if you want to add. Now, again, I'm not here to show you how website works, so I'm going to skip this part. Then we're going to click add to website for free. After that, the widget will be saved and you can rename your widget United Sales Notification to custom sales widget or anything that you want. So we're going to rename the widget and the widget has been renamed. And after our widget is ready, we're going to click on close and then select install. Now, after we click the installation button, we are going to get the embedded code here and we are going to just copy the code, insert in our website, and the work is done. If you are managing your website by other platforms like Shopify, Wix, WordPress, or any others, then you're going to select one and you're going to have to talk to the customer support and they will guide you through. That is just how simple it is, guys. So guys, that is all you have to know about Sales Notification Widget.